Hello, good afternoon, everyone. How are you all doing? So, let us do our live London forecast. Let's see how is the market performing today. Today is Thursday, so we need to plan accordingly. One by one, I'll take you through different pairs, starting with gold. Let's see how gold is doing. See, if we remove all the indicators and all the drawings, we can see that the market is in a uptrend, making higher lows. Okay, but it is also kind of in a consolidation stage. That's what I can see. It is making higher highs from below. EMA is acting as support. Okay, but the market is kind of stuck. If you see, the above areas, this red green, red green. So it's a very risky situation now, but still we can consider the market to be an uptrend according to me in weekly time frame. Now in daily time frame, like I said, there is some sort of resistance on top. The market has acted strongly to this resistance and has reversed significantly. Okay, again the market is trying to reach that level. So what is that level? That level is kind of 3400 level, a major psychological number level. So the market will try to reach that level. Maybe it can reverse from there, or it will break out, retest, and continue from there. In 4 hour, we can see that the market is in a strong bullish uptrend. Okay, it is making higher lows. There is no structure for going down. EMA is acting as a support. So at this point, we shouldn't think of taking a sell trade. Okay, so this is our bias. The 4 hour candle came below, grabbed the half wick liquidity of the previous candle. Okay, now it went up. In 1 hour, we can see that the market respected the EMA, kind of changed the structure. यहाँ पे अगर लो था तो यहाँ पे हाई बना है. Okay, EMA is acting as support. That is exactly why this candle was green, plus neckline of this W. So this is a very good area for taking a buy trade. Like I was telling you all, see, the zone that I have marked here is the neckline of this double bottom. वहां पे एग्जैक्टली स्ट्रॉन्ग बेरिश प्रेशर आया था. इतनी बेरिश होती तो ब्रेक कर देती थी. We could have gone for this, but this was not a trading time, so that is why we did not take. Again here, there was a structure shift seen. Now I thought of going for buy, पर मैं यहाँ पे बाय के लिए इसलिए नहीं गया क्योंकि यहाँ पे चांसेस थे. अभी तो एक कैंडल इतनी ग्रीन बनी है यहाँ पे, पर हाफ एन आवर पहले ये कैंडल इधर थी और मुझे ये लगा कि दिस माइट ग्रैब द ट्रेंड कंटिन्यूएशन लिक्विडिटी सेलर्स के लिए, एंड एक और रेड कैंडल बन सकती थी. तो इसलिए मैंने सेल के लिए नहीं लिया, और प्लस ट्रेंड बाय है, बुलिश है, तो मैं सेल के लिए सोचूंगा नहीं, तो मैं सिर्फ बाइस के लिए सोचूंगा. इसलिए मैंने सेल का नहीं लिया. अभी भी मैं सेल का नहीं कभी अभी सोच रहा हूँ मैं. अगर ये रनिंग कैंडल नीचे आती है, retest करती है exactly at the support, resistance becomes support, then I can think of buying. Other than this, I cannot think for buy. This is our scenario for gold. My prediction is for buy if it comes to my level. Let's see USD JPY. In USD JPY मेरी ऑलरेडी एक ट्रेड लगी हुई है यहाँ पे. लेट्स सी क्यों. डेली टाइम फ्रेम में वी कैन सी that the market is consolidating very strongly. It is not in one direction, it is consolidating. If you can see this zone, what is this? Non-tradable zone, very risky. Now if you go on 4 hour, there is some kind of clarity, but still the market is not in an uptrend. It is stuck in one place. In 4 hour we can see that there is kind of a strong support here, okay, which was unwanted candle here, support, breakout, fake breakout, retest continuation, again support. Then I thought कि अगर ये इतनी बेरिश होती तो ये ब्रेक कर देती थी सपोर्ट. इसने ब्रेक नहीं किया, which means kind of buyers can come from this support. That is exactly why I took this trade. 1 hour we can see that small structure shift was seen, low, low, high, and high again. And this candle, green candle ने नीचे से opening closing liquidity लेके भी आया था. So that is why I went for buy. If you can see here, it made double bottom. This area is important for us in future. Remember, it made double bottom. The neckline is made, okay, and this candle closed, grabbed the opening closing liquidity from down, and see कैसी candle बनी. Right now it has given the breakout of this EMA, okay. So I have gone for 1:1. SL is according to the 4 hour time frame below this neckline of this. Here you can see this double bottom kind of. So इसके नीचे मैंने लगाया है SL and TP उसी according है, maybe 4 hour की EMA तक. So this trade is ongoing. I will update about this trade in the Telegram, and also if I take a trade in the gold XAU USD, I will update you there. You can connect with me and we can trade together. So this is what I told you about USD JPY. Let's see your USD. See, on a daily time frame, we can see that the market is stuck. It is not going in any direction. Okay, market is stuck. It is making big red green candles, non-directional move. Okay, so let's see on 4 hour how it is. The market is still stuck. That's what I can see. Just observe closely. You know, if you see this area, the whole zone here, it is stuck. But let's go to our trading zones. Here I've drawn some levels already. The market overall is stuck, but here the market has taken major support from this level. Strong buying has come. Buying has gone to this level, resistance, and exactly closed below it. So bearish pressure यहाँ से आ सकता है. But I'm not going for sell because EMA नीचे है. EMA can act as a support and it can break out this resistance, retest, and then go. I'll tell you how. I did not go for sell, neither did I go for buy. Why? Because I am suspecting that this price can break out, retest, and then go here. Okay, if it has to go for sell, I will wait for this to break out the EMA, retest, and then go for sell. Then go for sell. In 4 hour we can see this scenario should happen. ऐसा होना चाहिए. And we'll wait कि अगर ऐसा होता है कि नहीं. 1 hour में we can see that exactly that has happened. If I would have gone for sell, I would have lost this trade. पर मैं सेल के लिए नहीं बैठा क्योंकि देखो यहाँ पे EMA सपोर्ट में है, ये अनवांटेड है, प्रीवियस रेजिस्टेंस है, तो जब तक ये एरिया नहीं टूटे, EMA का रिटेस्ट ना हो, तो मैं सेल के बारे में नहीं सोच सकता. इसलिए मैंने सेल नहीं लिया. और मैं बाय इसलिए नहीं ले रहा हूँ क्योंकि ऊपर रेजिस्टेंस है. ठीक है, आई विल वेट फॉर दिस एरिया, फॉर दिस कैंडल टू ब्रेक either of the zones, whether above resistance or down EMA support. Then only I will trade. This is strong bearish pressure. See, good. The current candle has grabbed the opening closing liquidity from above and it has come down. तो हम इसको ना आने देंगे नीचे. We will let it come down, break the EMA, retest, and then we can go for a good sell trade. Okay. I will put my alert here. मुझे लग रहा है कि I should enter, but 30 minutes tells me that I should enter. This is a breakout of EMA, retest, continuation. Continuation candle has grabbed the opening closing liquidity from above. 30 minutes is forcing me to take this trade, but 1 hour and 4 hour tells me that not to take this trade. Why? Because there is unwanted below, there is EMA support, so it is risky, but let's wait. It is important to wait, very important to wait. See the pressure of the sellers, that it is coming from exact resistance zone. Till where did the wick go? If you can see here, तो ये wick exactly कहाँ तक गई थी? Till the resistance, and there are good amount of sellers sitting there. Okay, strong bearish candle. I just want this candle to break the EMA. That's it. The candle should be below. The candle closing should be below the level. Otherwise, then this is a trap. Your US is risky. But let's see. Let's see if I take a trade. First of all, I'll wait for this candle to close. Okay. We should not enter in a running candle. First of all, remember that. Never enter in a running candle. We'll wait for this candle to close. 8.5 minutes left. देखेंगे हम कि आफ्टर द कैंडल क्लोज कहाँ कैंडल है. कि ऐसा भी हो सकता है अभी ये कैंडल ऐसे पेरिश दिखा रही है, 8 मिनट बाद ये विक बना के ऊपर क्लोज हो जाए और हमारा ट्रेड यहाँ पे लग जाए और हम ट्रैप हो जाए. सो वी हैव टू वेट. अभी सिर्फ मैं प्लान आउट कर रहा हूँ कि अगर ये बेरिश क्लोज होती है तो कैसे लेना चाहिए एज एल अकॉर्डिंग टू द 4 आवर? तो 4 आवर में क्या क्या है? 4 आवर में ये ओपनिंग क्लोजिंग है, ये भी ओपनिंग क्लोजिंग है। लेट्स सी कितने पिप्स का। ओके, this is 50%. This is just try to understand. I know this is, you know, confusing for you, but please understand. The market has taken rejection previously from this 50%. Okay, now exactly 50% के पास ही आके रिजेक्शन लेके अभी नीचे आ रही है. तो we can keep SL here. This is just a plan. Okay, अगर जैसा मैंने एनालिसिस किया वैसा होता है तो मैं ये एग्जीक्यूट करूँगा, वरना मैं नहीं करने वाला. लेट्स सी कितने पिप्स का SL है. ओके, 30 pips is fine. 1:1. Now let's wait. Strong bearish pressure तो है. That's what I can say. Strong bearish pressure from resistance. Grabbed the opening closing liquidity, kind of breaking the previous unwanted. So chances for it to go down. But let's wait. Till then we will put an alert. We'll see the other pair. We will just check gold. Okay, our USD JPY trade is going well. If you can see here, I'll share the screenshot with you in the Telegram group. Please join the Telegram group. Okay, I'm waiting for this candle to close at this support. Resistance becomes support. This will take around more half an hour. If I take a trade here, I will post it on Telegram. I'll update you all. See, Euro USD, see how it is playing with us. That is why it is important to wait for your right setup. This unwanted candle is acting as a support and EMA also. There is a good chance that the market can go up. Let's see Euro JPY. In Euro JPY, we can see that the market is bearish, breakout of this trend line, EMA resistance. We cannot think of buy. We have to think of sells only. 4 hour MAC, the market is consolidating. Risky for us. In 1 hour, we can see that the price has grabbed opening closing from above and it is coming down. Mm, this is also 61% level from where it is coming, and it has taken rejection from 78 level. Risky for us. Okay, so that's it for today. Euro USD, sorry, USD JPY trade is running. I will update you all about this trade. If I take a trade on gold, maybe in New York session it will come down and I can take for buy. I will update about this trade. Also in Euro JPY, sorry, Euro USD. If I take a trade here, I will tell you. मैं इसके रीजंस बता दूंगा, मैंने क्यों लिया, प्रॉफिट होगा तो मैं बता दूंगा, टीपी हिट हुआ तो बताऊंगा और एसएलबी हिट हुआ तो बताऊंगा. mm, I'm seriously waiting for this to break, for this EMA. It is just this EMA is stopping me from taking the trade. Also in 4 hour. Okay then, see you. Thank you.